Welcome to a journey of wellness. Through your beverage choices, while no single drink can guarantee immunity against cancer, incorporating certain beverages into your routine may contribute to your overall well-being. These drinks are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and other beneficial compounds that have been associated with cancer-fighting properties. Let's explore the top drinks that may help you combat cancer naturally. Certainly, here's a list of beverages that are often associated with potential cancer-fighting properties due to their rich nutritional content. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high content of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been linked to cancer prevention. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a reduced risk of various types of cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Green tea may help reduce inflammation, which is linked to the development of cancer. Number 2. Turmeric latte. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into a warm, comforting latte can be a delicious way to enjoy its potential cancer-fighting benefits. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause cellular damage that may contribute to cancer development. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetable juice. Broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, a compound with potent anti-cancer properties. Juicing these vegetables can provide a concentrated dose of nutrients that support your body's natural defense mechanism. Number 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, including ellagic acid, which has been studied for its potential cancer-fighting effects. Pomegranate juice has gained attention for its potential health benefits, including its role in cancer prevention. Drinking pomegranate juice may contribute to inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation. Number 5. Ginger tea. Contains gingerol, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, may help prevent and treat various types of cancer. Ginger is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals can cause cellular damage and contribute to the development of cancer. Ginger may have protective effects on the gastrointestinal tract, potentially reducing the risk of certain gastrointestinal cancers. Some studies suggest that ginger may induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Number 6. Berry smoothie. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in anthocyanins and other antioxidants. A mixed berry smoothie can provide a tasty and nutritious way to harness the cancer-fighting potential of these vibrant fruits. Number 7. Tomato juice. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer. Drinking tomato juice or adding tomatoes to your diet can be a flavorful way to incorporate this beneficial compound. Thanks for watching this video.